Hey friends, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm super glad to have you. I hope everyone enjoys the video. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. So I've been working on a couple shirts that are going to be given away. They're going to be Christmas gifts. And instead of having to tell everyone, this is how you have to wash this type of shirt, I'm going to make some care instructions. So I've seen these kind of on Etsy and stuff and went, you know what? I could probably find what I'm looking for in Design Space. So let's see what we have for shirts. We want single layer and something that when I fill it all in will look like a shirt. So that one maybe. No, that one's going to be too tricky. That one looks a little weird. I don't know why. What else do we have? Try that one. That one's not bad. Again, just something that we can contour and it's going to look like a shirt. So let's add these three and see which ones are going to look the best. Obviously don't want them that big. Straighten that one out. So let's contour. Hide all contours. That one's not bad. What do you think? The one on the angle looks like the best shirt, but straightening it out. I think that's about as straight as I'm gonna get it. We're probably going to want them about the 3-inch mark. So let's put them all at 3. I have tape on my desk and it was just sticking to my finger. So I think the red one looks the most like a shirt. So we'll go with that one. So let's zoom in. Change the color to white. Let's get some text. Care, instructions. That's very big. That would be about 2 inches. Switch that to pen. You know what? We're going to have to find a writing font. That one looks a little too much. Just a simple font. You know, a friendly reminder. There we go. I think that looks good. So care instructions. Wash, not was me. Wash me inside out. I'm gonna actually can't type today. cold water, hang to dry. That's what I want. I want that aligned center. We'll fix that one. There, I think that looks pretty cute. What do you think? Wash me inside out, cold water, hang to dry. Should we add no iron? I know you can use an iron, but and they'll probably not pull out irons to use them. I think I like that. I think that works. So let's align center. Align center. And I'm just going to use white cardstock and pen. So I'll make a couple. Well, more than a couple. But I've got 2 for sure I need to get attached. Oh, you know what I'm missing? A way to hang it. I'm getting ahead of myself. Why didn't you guys tell me? Hey, wait a minute, you need a little circle cut out. I just want a little circle. Like, then I can attach a little ribbon or something. Let's align center. Slice. There we go. Don't want that one there. Range to back. Align center. There. Glad we got this sorted out. Get rid of those. Now I can make duplicates. I'll make a few, whatever's going to fit on one sheet. I'll get these cut out and I'll show you the final result. I think they're going to look awesome. Okay, there they are. These are just adorable. I don't know why they're making me chuckle. I think they turned out so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of ribbon. This should work out fine, hopefully. Poke it through the hole. The right way. Where's my scissors? Gotta find my scissors first. We'll cut there. Tie off the top. Hopefully it will tie off nicely. More ribbon. And I gotta twist it up. Wow. Totally not being a pro here. So there. My snowman's upside down, but you get the gist of it. I think that looks super cute. I will put it the other way off camera, but let's do a red one as well. Now I know I have a bunch of safety pins, so I'm gonna have to hunt them down because I checked my sewing kit. And it's just a small little one. I'm not a sewer at all. But I can, you know, if a button's loose, I know enough to get that working. And retighten it on. So yeah, you could attach these two different ways. So with the safety pin, it's obviously one way. Or if there's something to loop it around. So depending on what brand shirts you use, they might have that. The ones I use, the Gildan, they're not fully enclosed. So if it was enclosed like that, you could loop it around. Obviously get most likely a thinner ribbon, but I think that is super cute. You know, cute way to make it look just a bit more Christmassy. I found these ribbons at the Dollar Tree for $1 or less than that. And yeah, I'm just gonna attach them with my safety pins once I find them. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.